Welcome to the Create OpenBook Market ID tool. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to create an OpenBook Market ID using our platform. Let's get started. First, connect your Solana wallet. Click on the Connect Wallet button and follow the prompts to connect your wallet. This step is crucial as it allows the platform to access your wallet and verify your tokens. Next, navigate to the mints section where you can configure your tokens. Configure the mints for the tokens you want to create a market for. In the mints section, select the base and quote mints from the drop-down menus. The base mint and quote mint represent the tokens you want to trade in your market. The base mint is the primary asset, while the quote mint is used to measure its value. To set the tick sizes, navigate to the tickers section. Here, you can configure the lot size and tick size, which are the lowest representable quantities of base and quote tokens. You can use our recommendation of min order size and tick size table, then enter your desired values to define how your market will handle trades. If you need a market ID for creating a pool on Radium, you can choose the Radium-only option, which is an optimized version with a lower cost of approximately 0.32 SOL. Alternatively, you can select the OpenBook Plus Radium option, which provides broader compatibility but costs around 2.78 SOL. We recommend using the Radium-only option for lower fees. For advanced users, toggle the Use Advanced Options switch in the Advanced Options section. This allows you to customize the sizes for the different accounts used to create the market, helping you adjust the rent cost according to your needs. If you want more control over the rent cost, you can configure the sizes for the different accounts used to create the market. Once you've configured all the settings, click the Create Market ID button to initiate the process. The platform will create the necessary accounts and set up your market on the Solana blockchain. Your wallet will prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details, including the total fees, and confirm to proceed. The platform is now creating your market ID on the Solana blockchain. This might take a few moments. Please wait while the transaction is being processed. The platform will show a loading page while your market is being created. Do not close or refresh the page during this process. Once the market is successfully created, the market ID will be displayed. You can download your market details by clicking the Download button. Make sure to save your market ID for future reference. For more detailed instructions, check out our blog post and documentation. These resources provide additional guidance on using the Create OpenBook Market ID tool. Thank you for using the Create OpenBook Market ID tool. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.